Hey, Joel here. I stopped wearing watches on my wrist just around the time that the first iPhone came out in 2007. After I started carrying a phone with me all the time and realized that the clock was right there, I realized I didn't need to wear a watch anymore. It was just one more thing for me to keep up with. You know, when I leave the house, it's phone, wallet, keys, no watch. And so I've not worn a watch. Over the years, I've thought about maybe purchasing an investment watch like a Rolex, but never could really bring myself to do it. Now, I've got some friends that are really into watches. They could tell you all the ins and outs of all the different brands, but still no watch for Joel. I was scrolling on my Facebook feed last month, and a watch was served to me as an ad, and it got my attention. It was the coolest looking thing I had seen. And I thought to myself, let's go check this out. The company's called Xeric. They're the manufacturers of some really unusual watches. And today I've received my watch and I'm going to unbox it right now. You could say I actually started to peel it away. And then I thought, ooh, this would make for a good unboxing video. I'm pretty hype about this watch. Here we go. It is called a Timeline Retrograde Automatic, and I chose the gold and black variation. There's the logo, and let's unveil this beauty. Now, I'm not looking for an everyday watch. I'm looking for something that I would wear when I go out, special occasion. I live in Puerto Rico. I'm on the beach. I wear shorts and a t-shirt most of the time. I'm not going to run around the house wearing this watch. But the packaging here is very nice. There's a little warranty card to fill out right here. Oh, it's actually it's a pretty solid plastic card. So you can store this somewhere safe. So here we go. Here's the container. Oh my, look at this. This is beautiful. It's a really lovely presentation. This is a nice case. And look at this. It's got a little LED flashlight keychain. Let's go ahead and pull the watch out. With the silica gel that we have to be reminded to not eat. Let's peel off the plastic. Fun aside, once upon a time, as a very young man in my first house, we bought some furniture and we got the furniture home, and along the rims, it was supposed to be gold. And instead, it was this color. We had to call the furniture store and they told us, yeah, you're supposed to peel that away. I never said I was the smartest brick in the stack. It was hard for me to decide which color I wanted to go with. I'll show you the different colors that they have. But to release the band, you click on the sides and it releases. And we can go ahead and peel more of that off. After what some might call a long and needless struggle with the plastic wrapping to keep the watch pristine, it is now freed from its container. And take a look at this watch. This is so unusual. You'll notice what's really interesting about this watch is that you have the hour hand and the minute hand here. And so when we pull it out 2 clicks to set it, you don't go backwards with this, only forwards. Watch what happens when it gets to the top of the hour. See, the hour hand keeps moving forward internally, and the minute hand clicks back to 0. So we're going to go ahead Get this set. The current time here is 3:39. Watch that. Here it goes. Click. And this is called a retrograde watch. And so you don't dare wind it back, set the time backwards, because that can definitely harm the device. So about 3:39, we're going to set it right there. We're going to push it in once. And then today is the 28th. And now we're ready to put it on my wrist. This is such a classy looking model. Obviously, I'm going to need to take some of these out so that it fits me properly. But what do you think? Am I styling? What time is it? Here are some of the details. This has got a hand-finished 316L surgical grade stainless steel. I don't know what the L means, but you watch people will know. Then it gets into the mechanics, which again, I don't understand. I just know that it works. It's got up to a 40-hour power reserve, an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, custom stainless steel bracelet, Swiss Super Luminova hands and indices, and 5 ATM water resistance. Here is the website for the Timeline Retrograde. The Timeline Retrograde is powered by the high-end Miyota 9015 movement with a custom-built retrograde complication. Every 60 minutes, the flyback mechanism launches the minute hand back to zero in an instant in the most dramatic and satisfying way. Unlike any other traditional watch, in every 12-hour transition from AM to PM or vice versa, the hour hand does the same. The retrograde complication enables the dial to have a linear time display with intuitive, easy-to-read time telling, but completely unique in design. The Timeline Retrograde features excellent dial finishing with applied indices and a magnified date window. The 38mm stainless steel case is sized to be comfortable on the wrist. Brushed and polished finishing on the case and bracelet make it pop, and an exhibition caseback shows the rotor. Production is limited to just 999 pieces per color. So it says you can pre-order them on here, but mine already obviously arrived. These are the 8 colors that were available, and I think I went for what I would consider the classiest one here, the automatic gold black. I was considering this one here to match my red glasses, but ultimately I ended up with what I believe is a dressier watch. Which one would you choose? And while they are priced at $11.99, you'll see if you order on the website, several of them say you can save $400, which is exactly what I did. So there you go. Xeric.com is the watchmaker. I don't have any affiliate link for you. At least I don't think I do. If I find one, I'll share it with you. But I just wanted to share this watch with you because I think it's really cool. And if you catch me out and about at a conference, I'll probably be wearing it. So say, hey, Joel, let's see the watch. And then I'll show it to you. Ooh, shiny. TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribing, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, all those things. I'll see you later.